Watch your paradise from the home window. While we are all facing these challenging, troubled times and fighting this deadly virus together, I thought I would not do any episodes, but this one I thought I must share. We decided to home quarantine after my son came back from UK, where he was studying, a decision we all took to be together as a family. And we decided during these troubled times, one thing, that we would not let anything dampen our spirits or morale, and we would act responsibly as a family. We all know that there's overwhelming information floating around which can be trying for our kids. Hence, we chose this period and called it home bonding and family time. While we are working from home, we decided to develop activities to create family bonding and create togetherness. We've decided to create togetherness in whatever we do. We start our day by meditating, praying, and offering gratitude for whatever we have. Follow the day with different activities at different times, especially the evenings where we cook, we play music, we play chess, we play board games, we do gardening, and we engage meaningfully with each other. We've decided to flatten the curve, praying for the wellness and the well-being of the entire world. Tough times don't last, tough people do. Stay in, stay safe, and keep ensuring the interest.